guys, RLC321 back again with the Pegasus War of the Worlds update video thingamabobby. Just wanted to show you what I've pretty much got done so far. None of this is glued in. Okay, so we've got these guys here. They're all ready and raring to go. And this guy, I've managed to kind of repair or fix this resin piece. I need to prime it and see what I need to do with it first. But then I realised I don't have the end sections for this yet. Oh, it doesn't rain, it pours. Or the front section, or the eyepiece for this little guy. I mean, he's going to go. Where was I going to put him? About here. You know, because they as I say, these guys travel in threes. So I was going to put him about here. Okay. This guy's going to shoot down. I'm going to melt this. Hang on, you can't even see it. Let's move this over here. There we go. That's better. Okay, so this guy's going to go about here. Actually, let me just make a. If I make a mark now where he's going, then I won't forget later. Right, there we go. So he's going about here, which I think is just about right for these guys. This guy's going to be firing at this tank, and this tank is the one that's going to be melted. Let me just put this down here. The glue should be dry enough by now. Oh, goodness me. Because if I get this thing, plug this into its little hole, that should hit directly on to the tank there. So this is why I'm going to be melting it, because it's a heat ray, it needs to be melted. Okay, so that's that. Fine, brilliant, dandy, no problem at all. Now the only other thing that I need to do, obviously with this guy, I need to make a copy of this. I mean, it doesn't have to be clear. I'm painting these copper and everything, or what colour was this? I can't remember now. Whatever colour this needs to be, that's the colour I'm going to paint it. The two edges, which are going to be green, and if I can find one, there he is, and the other eyepiece. So I need to craft another eyepiece. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cheat a little bit, because I haven't got any more. What's the word I'm looking for? Not putty. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Oh, that's even better. I've got a spare eye stalk, so I don't need to make another eye stalk, because that eye stalk is on there. That's why that's making the beam go out. So I just need to put an eye stalk on there and an eye stalk on here. Brilliant. Okay. So then all I really need to make then is, let's get these out, is, and I'm gonna bring these into shot in a minute. I don't need two of those. I think they are set a certain way. So like if I pull you off, you go over here like that, and then you go like that. Yeah. Yeah, okay, that's how it goes. Okie dokie. Yeah. Alright, so let's put that away, because I just need to make these two. Right, let me show you up. Oh, dear. Plonk you on there. There you've gone. Sit there. There you go. That's it. Right, so I need to make these. Now the only way I can think of making them right now, I can't do it today, it's going to have to be next week, but I just wanted to give you an update on this and see how this is going, is silicon. You know the silicon that you paint with, put like on tiles and bath sounds? Use a bit of that. So put some silicone down on a surface, push this in, then push it all the way to the edges so it all conforms to everything. Okay, and then do the same with these little guys, because I don't have to have these attachments on the where are you? There you go. This I only need these for the actual model because it's not the resin part, and so it just forms this little area here. Then what I should be able to use, once that's dried and I've pull those out, once it's dried I should be able to use the Milliput epoxy putty. If I wet it down slightly more than I would normally, I should be able to pack it in and get a copy of these. Should. That's what I'm going to attempt in the next video, so hopefully you guys will be watching that one, because that's going to be interesting, because I don't know if it's going to work or not. I've never tried that. I mean, I've tried using resins and things like that, but this is different. I mean, ideally I would like to use resin, but as you know in my last video, this resin is just knackered. It's just gone. I can't even open the lid anymore. It's that far gone. But anyway, so I wanted to give you a little update. I mean, all I did on this was just manage to shave it down a little bit. I mean, it's a little bit skew width, but I can heat that up and get it to move, so that's fine. We got a little sprue stand, which I've just pretty much just done. It's just sanding a bit of sprue off and putting some super glue in there, We need to fill these areas on all of these, you know, because it needs to be done. Well, so then obviously I need to primer. So I think that's going to be one of the first things I'm going to be doing, is primer everything and see what it looks like with primer on. Let's take that off there, and we put these guys back because I don't want to lose these. There we go. So I'm going to bring you guys back once I've finished priming everything. Speak to you soon. Hey guys, RLC321 back again. It's going to be a bit loud because I've got the extractor going on, and obviously my compressor will be going on. So we're just going to give these a little once over with some primer. I'm going to start with the resin model first, because that's going to be the harshest one, because that's going to be the one that's going to have a lot of work probably still, and you can never tell until you primer it. So a bit of primer in the airbrush, give it a good squirt, and if it sprays out, that's fine. I'm spraying that the way I would like, because it's getting nasty to me. So like spitting out, I have no idea why, even though I've cleaned the airbrush loads and loads of times. Still. That's that one done. There's still quite a lot of badness that's in there that needs to be sanded away, but it'll do. It'll do. So let's put you there. Now let's just dust. Make sure there's no dust on this. And give this one a good dust primer as well. I might need to invest in a couple of new airbrushes. That one done, and as expected, that's not too bad at all, because that's not obviously not the resin. Let's have a look at one of these tanks now. I'm not going to do paint the other tank just yet, because that's the one obviously I'm going to be that's obviously there you go, folks. So that's the tank. I'm getting bubbles in here, so it's almost as if it's I'm on like 30 psi, so it's almost as if it's blocked, but it isn't, because I've deep cleaned it. So I'm gonna have to really go into it and find out what's going on. So let's make sure there's no dust on here. I'll show you these pieces once they're actually dry. You're lifting off. Oh, god damn it. Right, so it looks like I need to put some glue on this one as well, for God's sake. I tell you what, if it's not one thing, it's a bloody another. I mean, I was going to do the original series Enterprise by Rebel today, but I can't do that because I was going to do the light blocking and everything, but I've got my grandson here today, so I can't do that. Hello, Nelly. It's behind my guitar. I've got it away from the cats. Sorry about that, guys. I'm now back. So that's done, and I've got to remember I need to glue this back on. And last but not least is the base. Let's make sure I've got plenty of air coming out there. That's definitely all the way back. Yep. Let's just get a curve one on the base here. I don't know if you can hear what's happened with the airbrush. It sounds as if it's blocked, but it isn't. Well, it probably is, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to put it into my what's it called? cleaners. I honestly cannot remember what they're called. It's just completely slipped my mind. That's going to bug me now. Like what I'm doing right now, right here, that's the strawberry. We want a strawberry. I mean, I'm not too worried about the baggage, because I'm going to give it back all this stuff like black anyway. Finish this off. By the time I finish doing this, hopefully the other stuff should be ready to go start, so I can show you what they're like. Right, there we go. Let's turn that off. There's not a lot in that, but I need to go clean that in a minute anyway. So I'm just going to put that there. And let's switch you off. No, come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. There we go. God, why did you have to put that all? Why did I put that all the way over there? Whew. So, anywho, right. So let's Right, you're still pretty much done. So I'm going to leave you there. Actually, I'm going to put you up here out of the way, so you can dry nicely. So let's have a look at one of the normal ones. The little bit of patching work could do with a bit more just there, because there's a very, very tiny, I don't know if you can even see it, very, very tiny lip. But well, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. I'm hoping that the couple of layers of other paint, like the copper, the metal that we're going to put on here, is going to hide that. These are only temporary. I'm not going to use these. I'm going to use I've got strands of fiber optic filament. Okay, I'm not going to light it, but what I am going to do is gently get 3 or 4 strands together, twist them round, okay, and then I'm going to glue them onto these 3 here. Glue them onto there, there and there. That should be clear enough to give it a good enough effect, as if it's doing what it does. You know that? Well, that's the idea. Anyway, let's go have a look at how the resin one and see how many problems there is on this. Hey, right, straight off the bat. Where are you? There you are. One big massive hole there. Didn't even see it. You know, a little bit of clean up here and there. Got some scratches and everything. But other than that, not too bad for something that we just done very, very quick. Or that I'd done very, very quick. You guys never saw it. So I'm going to let these guys dry off. And it's getting close to my grandson's bedtime. So I'm going to say thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little update to the War of the Worlds video. And I shall see you guys in the next one, where we are going to be melting this guy. And then we're going to be... I'm going to be fixing the resin ones off camera. And I'll be showing you how to do the clear pieces as well. But they're not going to be clear because I'm obviously painting them. And we shall go from there. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.